In this video, we show how to replace system battery in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover, air shroud, front cover and the risers. To remove the system battery, using a plastic scribe, gently pull back the retention latch, then lift the battery from its slot. To install the system battery, slide the battery under the latch and press down until it snaps securely into place. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.